Hey everyone, it's Dr. Evan. Today we're going to talk about how to get your activities to update your parent records. So the issue is once you have an activity, you mark it as done, you want to update the parent record stating that the activity has been done. It's not always the easiest task to do within Salesforce. One of the reasons why is because activities are polymorphic, meaning they have more than one kind of parent. So they have different objects. So they're linked to accounts, or linked to cases, or linked to all different types of objects within Salesforce. And getting that update isn't always the easiest thing because of that relationship. So today's task, we're going to have a task update a checkbox on an account once the task is complete. And before we do that, we need to make a checkbox field on the account. We also need to add a flag to the task to identify that this is the task that's going to trigger the update. So this is the field that we created on the account. It's just a checkbox field. And this is our flag field that we created on it's on the activity object, but it's for the task. And we just created it as a pick list, and we created two values, account and lead. I'm going to use the account value in our flow today. Just a quick knowledge check. Just remember, all records start with a 3-character code, and that identifies what object they are. In our case, we're going to utilize this because account starts with 001. It's a great tool. Before we move on to the flow, please like and subscribe. I do produce Salesforce tips every week. So we're creating this on the task object. We're going to do a records created updated, because you can create a completed task that meets this criteria. You can also update a task to meet this criteria. So we want to capture both. For our conditions, we have the status equals to completed, and the task, that custom field we created here, equals account. So we're looking for any of the tasks that are completed and also have that task type of account, so we know the trigger our update. And that's just what it looks like in the flow builder so far. And then we're going to go ahead and create a decision, and we're going to utilize that what is ID on the task. So we're going to say if the parent no record starts with, so that what ID, if it starts with 001, which is the account, go ahead and follow this route. Otherwise, go down the other route. And then we're going to create a update record, and we're going to specify the conditions on the account. And we're going to say the ID equals that what ID that we've identified from the task. And then we're going to also update that field that completed task 1, make that true with our global constant. So this is the completed flow. We have our record trigger flow start there. There's all the conditions in there. We have a secondary check to make sure that the record is actually tied to an account. If it is tied to an account, we're going to go ahead and update that record. If it doesn't match, then we don't do anything with that completed record. This is a quick way to have your task update your parent record. All right, thanks for coming, and I'll see you next time.